Unveiling the Enigma, Dark Energy with Bite-Sized Science. Welcome, fellow knowledge seekers, to a journey through the mysterious realms of the cosmos. Today, we delve into the enigma that is dark energy. Point 1. The expanding universe. In the early 20th century, the great astronomer Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking observation. He noticed that galaxies were not only moving, but they were moving away from us in all directions. Point 2. Dark energy emerges. Further research revealed that the universe's expansion wasn't slowing down due to gravity. Instead, it was accelerating. To explain this phenomenon, scientists introduced the concept of dark energy. Point 3. The nature of dark energy. Dark energy remains an elusive and perplexing force. It's believed to constitute approximately 70% of the universe's energy composition. Its origin and exact properties remain a subject of intense scientific investigation. Point 4. Shaping the fate of the cosmos. Dark energy's influence is not limited to the expansion of the universe. It plays a crucial role in determining its ultimate fate. Depending on its properties, the universe may continue to expand indefinitely or eventually experience a big rip. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating realm of dark energy. It's a cosmic riddle that continues to challenge our understanding of the universe. Remember, dear viewers, the universe's mysteries are vast and ever-evolving. Stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you more fascinating content.